pontoon boat, or the banana boat. Woohoo! Come in. Sit on the front with me. Whoops. Hop on. They kind of are. Oh, yeah, there we go. Got some Japanese folks with us. Woohoo! Ride 'em, cowboy. There's my little pharmaceutical friend getting wet. Oh, yeah! It's like back in Texas. Oh, yeah. It's cold. Oh, yeah. But colder and 2,000 miles west. Otherwise, just like that. Oh. And with more Asian people. And no French people.
No French people to hear my French language.
Alright, there you go. Bonjour, ah, très bon. Oui, oui. Oh, there's a flying fish. I want to do that. Wow, that's cool. Look at that behind it. The flying fish. The flying fish is right behind it. Home sweet home. We actually have blue water now. No rain. So, Gail, how was your banana experience?
Oh, that was really exciting. I can barely